वंदे गुरुपददत्त श्रीभक्तवृन्दसमान्वितम् श्रीचैतन्य प्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दोदितम् श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे श्रीराधिका चरणद्वयम् गोपीजन समायुक्तं वृन्दावनो मनोहरम् श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to Guru Parampara. All glories to assembled devotees, a small Chittalekha. So today we got few questions, not so many questions. Looks like everyone fed up to ask questions because I'm not able to give right answer, therefore. So anyway, so one question from, looks like Harivallabh Prabhu. श्री जगन्नाथ महाप्रसाद पाने का बहुत इच्छा हो रहा. What should I do? This devotee has desire to eat or honor Jagannath Mahaprasad. What he is supposed to do? Yeah. If you have deity or picture of Jagannath, then you cook yourself and offer to Lord Jagannath like a sweet dal. I think dal is same, but you can put some lots of cinnamon, little godu, means jaggery, and all the spices you can give. Then Jagannath dal and rice you can take. Then question from Anindita Mataji. Yesterday Gurudev said that neither the queen wives of Dwaraka nor the goddess Lakshmi were accepted by Krishna in the same way as Radharani and the gopis, and we are devoted to him, and that the ordinary earthly woman, had won his love, what their sincerity, devotion to Krishna. Anyway, very difficult to understand. But anyway, question, but the gopis are not ordinary earth women. No, I am not telling Gopinari ordinary art. They are actually eternal associate of Krishna, the gopis, where they all his companies for Goloka from Goloka. Of course, when Krishna appeared, he appeared with his associates. They are always with him. Right or not? Yeah. Probably simple earth women are not able to do this. Yeah, they could be Manjari. Under the gopis they can serve, but they should be completely free from all material attachments, especially sense enjoyment object. Then one more, looks like from Moscow. Hare Krishna, dear Gurudev, please accept our humble obeisance to you. In one of your audacious lecture, you spoke about Krishna's flute sound. Govindo manages everything with the help of his flute. Each living entity obeys Govinda's flute. The flute has 8 notes. The question is, do the sound of Krishna's flute ever reach us or this material world? Do the earth cows, Brahma, although he was in topmost material abode, like a who was saw moho jano tapo satta, abode name Sattala, still it is hitting to his ear. So, this eligible, there is explanation. Explanation is this, that still, Vrindavan, Navati, Mayapur, Mahaprabhu and Krishna manifesting same pastime. Who is able to see? The slogan is like that. Addapiyo sailila kare gura rai, kono bhagavane dekhi vare vai. Andhavita chakshu jar vishaya dhurite, sheki kore paribi ei parama tattva bujite. Means, still Lord manifesting the pastime, same pastime now, still he is manifesting. But only fortunate person can see that. But and who is fortunate? Who is completely free from material attachment. They are fortunate in this material world. Completely free from material attachment. Completely. So who has material attachment? Their eyes covered with material dust. So how they can see, how we can see, especially we can see that charisma of Lord. Then second, do the sound Krishna's flute ever reach us? The world. Do the earth cows hear the fourth note of his flute? Are we able to hear the notes of the flute? Yeah, you can just free from material attachment, then you can also hear the Krishna's flute. Like Narottam Thakur came to Vrindavan from Bangla, from Bengal. How? Krishna's flute he heard, and that flute tune take him to Vrindavan path. There is no any kind of train pass was exist at that time. He go all the way by walk when he was a small boy. And on the way, he also got the mercy of Jannava Mata, Narottam Thakur. So, this is the way, only fortunate person can listen. I think you are also fortunate. So you will also be free from all material attachment through chants, through sincere chanting. And you are able to get it, able to hear it. Your daughter from Moscow. Looks like everything covered. I don't know who else has. This is not a relevant question here. Anyway, looks like everything I covered. So anyway, first of all, we have to keep in our mind that our previous teacher, they said then actually all the goddesses, Lakshmi, they say, they are actually lamenting. When all the god and goddesses, they are lamenting to see the deservedness of gopis, how they engage to serve of Radha Krishna in Vrindavan. So definitely we have to know we need special, we need to get mercy of Radharani. Then we can enter to Vrindavan. Because if you like to stay in Vrindavan, you have to get Radharani. You should not feel any jealousy. I can give an example that Radharani, there's a song written by Narottam Thakur and Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Dhamer Saros Puribe Noyane Hoibo Radharo Dashi. Means we are able to become servant of Radharani when we can see the whatever pastimes going on, whatever pastimes happen when physically present, Krishna physically present in this Vrindavan. When we are able to see that, even physically present Lord Chaitanya in Navadvip, we can see that. When we can see that? When it says, Gauro Brajabone Vedana Hiribo Hoibo Barajabashi. Means we should not make any discrimination between Navadvip and Vrindavan. So Navadvip, which they inspire to chant. Chanting will curing all our unwanted mundane desire, anartha. As soon as we become free from all anartha means material desires, unwanted mundane desire, and then we can get the vision. We can reach in the material world, any places in the material world. But in spirit, we can be in Vrindavan. But we can see all these gopis, they are Nitya Siddha Parshad, means eternally, like a, they are eternally Siddha, means spiritually perfect, eternally spiritually perfect. So they are always coming. Whenever Krishna manifests pastimes, any place, any universe, they are always there. We may see in this universe Krishna is not there physically, but another universe, Krishna still manifesting same pastime. They are always there. Krishna, when he is leaving, he is taking all of them gradually in order to manage his pastimes over there. You have to know, universe, not like one universe, we are in there. Millions of universes. Millions of universes. Therefore, achinta, unthinkable. It's not, we cannot think about with a material intelligence that, oh, Krishna is such a being. Therefore we say, he is unlimited. His capacity unlimited, his lila unlimited, his knowledge unlimited, his opulence, everything unlimited. But all we are limited. We are able to realize unlimited that much only, how much we surrender, how much we are able to get blessings from him. Not that much. Therefore, we cannot use for Krishna this exclusive Krishna's size like that, Krishna's capacity like that. You cannot do that. When you use this word exclusive, then we make Krishna like a limited. Krishna is beyond of illusion. So just surrender, then it will reveal to your heart also. All of our heart, it will reveal what is real, what is supposed to do, everything will appear. So anyway, Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, 32th chapter, 2nd sloka. Tasama biro bhujchori smayamano mukhambujo pitambara dharo sragi shakshan manmatho. Shakshad manmatho. Let me see what Bhaktivinoda Thakur says in this regard. So, Pancham Parichay. There is explanation given by Prabhupada, then Bhaktivinoda Thakur. I just read both, just little bit. Keep patience, then I am able to find out. See, Rasa Lila, Gopi Digar Viched, it is explained by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Rasa Lila, Gopi Digar Viched, বিলাপের পর সহসা পীতাম্বর বনমালী হাস্যবদন সাক্ষাৎ মদনমোহন তাহাদের মধ্যে আবির্ভূত হইলেন. You know, I explained yesterday, right? Sharad Purnima and Rasa Purnima. I think you understand. Sharad Purnima, Krishna disappeared. Whole Kartik, we search Krishna under the guidance of gopis, guidance of Radharani. All gopis, they are searching. They are chanting this. I explained that yesterday. Jayoti Tethikam Janamana Brajo Shayatuin. That's such type of melody. Very separation. It is extreme separation melody. Gopi Geet. So, he disappeared and appeared when? Rasa. All of a sudden. This is Krishna's charisma. Why Krishna disappeared? Because Krishna is enjoyer. If someone wants to enjoy Krishna, then Krishna disappeared. Krishna will not allow them to enjoy. So in order to make us understand about it, make ourselves understand about it, when this pastime going on, then everyone wants to actually, when all of a sudden Krishna take Radha and out of this Rasa dance, then after some time, according to the desire of Krishna, Radha also has desire to Krishna to lift her and carry her. Then Krishna left her. In that way, Krishna disappeared. So all the gopis first together, they are searching Krishna. Then they saw Radha is alone there, Krishna not there. Then they together, they are searching entire month. And they are searching entire month to that, where is Krishna? And they are also worshipping Katyayani Devi. And Katyayani Devi also explain them, Krishna will fulfill all of your desire on that day. Just wait. So Pitambara Bonomali Hashyavadan. Hashyavadan means smiling face. You know, Krishna always smiling. Even Radha angry, still he is smiling. Always smiling. Never, never anger. Krishna is embodiment of happiness, embodiment of peace, embodiment of love, embodiment of bliss. So therefore, we know that once Krishna was late to reach Radha. It's extremely late, of course. Extremely late. So then Radha, she was waiting long time for Krishna. Then all of a sudden, she took vow, from today, I don't want to see Krishna's face anymore. I don't want to touch Krishna anymore. I don't want to speak Krishna anymore. See, when I look Krishna anymore, speak Krishna anymore, and touch Krishna anymore. No, don't want to touch, don't want to speak, don't want to look. 3 promises, 3 vows she took. And in her grove, she covered with the cloth called veil. Indian cloth, they are, nowadays Indian cloth is different like Western. Now Indian woman wearing jeans and t-shirt, that is different. But following the Vedic tradition, they are always keeping shari and, I don't know this veil, right? Very tiny veil, thin. She covered. So she is sitting middle of her grove. Krishna came after a long time, and Lalita Vishaka conveyed the message. As soon as Krishna reached, they explained that is the Radha's vow, what to do. So much distressful situation they have. Always all the Sakhis, they want to see Radha and Krishna together, not to be separated. Like our Guru Varga want to see all his disciples together with amicable relation, not like an intense relation. But we are not obedient to our Guru Varga, therefore we are just always split, try to make our own point, not to follow our Guru Varga's point. Anyhow, Vaishnava's tradition is to keep amicable relation and be together under any circumstances. If someone has bad quality, we should rectify them. Try to give them some rectification. If they don't want to rectify, do any kind of, if they don't want to keep any kind of endeavor for rectification, let them ignore. We should ignore them. Understand? We should ignore them. Anyway, this is the tradition. So, Radha, Krishna always be together. That is the goal of all Sakhis. So, Lalita, Vishaka, as soon as Krishna came with depression, distressful situation, when to depression phase, they explain, Krishna, that is the vow Radharani took. She don't want to see you anymore. She don't want to touch you anymore. She don't want to see you anymore. Yeah. See you anymore. So 3 things. Krishna also smiling face. Here also you can see. Harshavadam. Harshavadam means smiling face. So Krishna just smiling face, explain just and then he entered in the Radha's grove. Then he saw Radharani sitting in that pose, doesn't want to see him anymore. looks so much anger. So, and explain why he led. Because Chandravali catching, doing so much seva, her seva was such attractive. So I stuck over there. And he is glorifying Chandravali and circumambulance Radharani. So, to hearing the Chandravali's glories, you can see if you don't like anyone, someone you don't like, someone your beloved, just one person, your beloved person. If you glorify, if your beloved person glorifying that person constantly, what do you feel? Once you feel really disgusted and do something, like you can react something. So Radha also did the same thing. Radha all of a sudden get up, then grab Krishna's hand, pull Krishna out of grove and telling him, I don't like to see you. I don't like to talk to you. I don't like to touch you anymore. Then Lalita Vishakha astonished. Hey Radhe, you promised before this, but you already broke your promise. You catch Krishna, that means you touch Krishna. You are speaking now towards his face. You see Krishna, you look Krishna. And also speaking Krishna, touching Krishna, looking Krishna, everything is broke. So forget about it. Let us be together. So actually, if you really want to be follower of our gopis, we should be together. Not like together means like what is the mood of gopis? They want to keep Radha Krishna together. So our Guru Varga also says same thing. Worship Radha Krishna, teachings of our Guru Varga, Rupa Raghunath, cooperatively spread and with full of enthusiasm. So we have to understand only just to read the fact, and explain in the mass is not our teachings. Teachings is this: whatever pastime they manifest, we have to apply in our life. Then our practice can go ahead in the right direction. Otherwise, whole life we may practice, but we are not able to reach the ultimate destiny of our spiritual practice. You know what Mahaprabhu want to say. So be together and keep amicable relation. Always keep amicable relation, unity in diversity. So anyway, Gopider Viched Vilapir Par. Viched Vilap means that Gopi Geet. That Gopi Geet. Viched means separation. They are chanting, then all of a sudden, Bonomali means in the forest who was hiding, that Pitambar Bonomali Hasha Vadan Shakshat Madanaman, in the middle of the gopis, Radharani. So please keep our, we should keep our best endeavor to understand and this pastimes, the essence of the pastimes. Anyway, also Prabhupada says in this, Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he also explained in this sloka, on this sloka, Tasamabira Shayamano Mukhambujo Pitambara Dhoro Sagri Shakshad Manmato. Prabhupada says in Anuvasya, Raso Kira Kale Krishna Antadhan Hetu Shri Krishna Darshana Vilashini Gopigan Odhira Haya Rodon Korite Thakile Gopobodhuganer Samokkhe Govinda Deva Viribhuto Hilen. Same thing what Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, but different language he says. Raso Kira Kale, during the Raso dance pastimes, Krishna Antardhan, Krishna disappeared. That is the reason. Then all the Gopigan, they have eagerness to see Krishna again. That Adhirahya, they become eager, they become with the eagerness to see Krishna again, they cry, Rodon Kurisakile. Rodon means crying. So therefore, always I am always talking about this. Like a small baby, they don't know how to walk, they don't know their mother name. But when they become hungry, in order to drink the mother breast milk, they are not calling mother names. They are not able to walk and go to mother. Not like that. Just they cry. Then mother jumps. That is the proof. Then whenever really we feel hunger, we are really hungry, we feel hungry, then if we cry, means hungry for Krishna's association. Then if we cry for Krishna, then Krishna will come. But what we are doing, that we know. Rodon Korita Sakile Gopabodhuganer Samokkhe Govinda Viribhuto Hilen. All the gopis, in front of the gopis, Govinda means Krishna, appear. So cry for Krishna, then Krishna will appear, then all your questions disappear. When Krishna will appear, all our questions, queries will disappear. Because to whom we see, we can know everything. In our my spiritual master used to say, Jake janle sab jana hoye jaye. To whom you know, and you know everything. Jake pele sab pawa hoye jaye. If we get, to whom we get, we can get everything. Nothing is left over. Everything we have. So that is Krishna. Krishna is source of everything. So we are follower of Krishna, devotee of Krishna. Mahaprabhu, so Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself. Mahaprabhu is more merciful. Mahaprabhu's form, Krishna appeared. Krishna appeared in the form of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And this Mahaprabhu is more merciful than Krishna. Because he is showing us magnanimous mood, magnanimity. He never discriminates. We are qualified or not qualified. He distributes holy name which can cure all our unwanted mundane desire or anartha. Please take shelter of holy name and think about Vrindavan pastimes and Mahaprabhu's pastimes, and think also that there is no differences, because I explained that Gaura Brajavone Vedna Herivo Huiva Barajavashi. If when we are able to think about Vrindavan and Navadvip, there is no difference. Lord Chaitanya and Krishna is no difference. There is no difference between Lord Chaitanya and Krishna and Vrindavan Dham and Gaura Dham. Then we are eligible to be in Vrindavan, to live in Vrindavan. Otherwise, physically we can live in Vrindavan, but mind will go everywhere. Where is our mind? Will be there. Anyway, so then Krishna Prapti Rupaya Bahuvida Hoy. Krishna Prapti Taratamma Bahut Achhay. This is Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami says. Krishna Prapti Rupaya Bahuvida Hoy. So many ways we can get Krishna. So many processes. Many processes. Krishna Prapti Taratamma Bahuta Achay. Taratamma means there's a difference. Like if you chant, if we just worship Krishna with opulence mood, actually we are worshipping Lakshmi Narayan. You will go to Vaikuntha. If you worship Krishna, Madhavendra Puripada's mode, then you can be there in Golok Vrindavan. Don't think you are chanting and we can reach Golok Vrindavan, back to spiritual abode. Like nowadays, many people say, chant and back to Godhead. It's not like this. You may think that person says, definitely will go there. But if we are not free from material attachment, always our mind goes all over in conspiracy. And outwardly you are chanting. I think it is impossible for reach our ultimate destiny, reach the ultimate destiny of our spiritual practice. So, prati rashe shrestha hoilo parashvara tartamma vartaman. All mellow, although it is better, but there is difference. All mellow have different and stage. Like this, different stage means all are good. Like a Saman, Shakharas, Saman, Vatsalya Ras, Saman, Dasya Ras. The different Taratama means there is a different their destination. Kintu jar jai ras shai sarvattam tatastha hoiya bicharele ache tarotamo. Jar jai ras, whatever, if my ras is dasya or friendship shakha, if vatsalya means parental love. For me, if I am follower of Vatsalya, like Nanda Yashoda, it is fine for that. Krishna happy with that. When you follow our mood of mellow, mood of rasa, wholeheartedly, that make Krishna happy. Not like a pretending, oh this is inferior, that is superior, so I have to go there. But our rasa like this, we have to follow that. So that is kintu jar jai ras shai sarvattam. Jar jai ras, like a Subal, Sudam, they are friends, Shakha. That is sarvattam, means topmost for them. Krishna accepted. Nanda Yashoda, parents were topmost for them. Tatastha hoiya vicharile. Tatastha means in between if we stay. Ache tarotamo. Then we can have difference. Superlative and actual comparative superlative. In that way. Jathottaro Masai Sadho. I have to read what Bhaktivinoda Thakur says in this regard. Prabhu, ami purbe সাধ্য অর্থাৎ কৃষ্ণ প্রাপ্তির বহুবিধ উপায় করিয়াছি, তাহাতে এইমাত্র ভেদ আছে যে উপায় বিশেষ অনুসারে কৃষ্ণ প্রাপ্তির তারতম্য বিচার করিতে হইবে। মানবগণ যে যে উপায় অবলম্বন করিবার অধিকারী, সেই উপায় অবলম্বন পূর্বক তদাবস্থা যোগ্য সাধ্য বস্তু যে কৃষ্ণ প্রাপ্তি, তাহাই তাহাদের পক্ষে শ্রেয়। Or the same thing what I'm going to explain now. So, this Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, whatever Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Pad describe, and Mahaprabhu also appreciate. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Pad describe this through Raya Ramananda and Mahaprabhu. Whatever Mahaprabhu asking, Raya Ramananda explain gradually. That Mahaprabhu always said, yo hoy, age kahar. So according to the stage of our devotion, if my stage means my mellow of practice is dasharas, Sambhram is there, fear is there. Dasharas, Sambhram, fear means we have some kind of reservation, fear, oh, if I'm not doing so, then he will be angry on me. This is the cause of, this is the mood of Dashara, serpent. Do you have to do that? You know, this is the first stage. My spiritual master. No. Also, we have, anyway, we have to know that Mahaprabhu explained when Sanatana Goswami Pad came in Kashi, Varanasi, and asked Lord Chaitanya this question: who am I? Ke ami? Kano more jare tapotroy? Why? Iha nahi jani, koiche hito hoy. Sadhan tattva পুছিতে না জানি, কৃপা করি সব তত্ত্ব কহত আপনি। Means, who am I? That question when he asked, answer, very clear answer here. জীবের স্বরূপ হয় কৃষ্ণের নিত্য দাস, eternal servant. But stage of servant, like servant means what? Object of service should be happy with each activities. Siddham, Sudham, they are friendship. But that friendship makes Krishna happy. Then that parental love, Nanda Jashoda, their service make Krishna happy. Parental love. Gopi service make Krishna happy. Dasharas, whoever Dasharas, they are also that make Krishna happy. Like now, we may say we are Gaudiyam or devotee, we are Madhurya Ras, Uttam, Madhyam. But someone asking that question. I forget, but I don't know who is this. So many, lots of email, lots of message. I don't know who is this, but now I remember. We are Madhyam Adhikari, Uttam Adhikari, Kanishta Adhikari. Forget about that. First of all, we have to know that Madhyam Adhikari, Kanishta Adhikari, Uttam Adhikari, all they are chanting pure name. Are you chanting pure name? I don't know who asked the question. I mean just telling you. Are you chanting pure name? Pure name, symptom of chanting pure name is this. You feel separation. You have to feel separation. And separation will appear tear. Tear, you know. Therefore, Lord Chaitanya in Sikshashtaka explained, Nayanam galadasya dharaya, badanam gadgadaruddhaya gira, pulakai nichitanga bopu, kadatapa nama gone bhavishyati. Do you have the symptom? Nayanam galadasya dharaya, tear during chanting. Oh Krishna, where are you? Badanam gadgadaruddhaya gira. Badan gadgada means throat choked. Pulokoi nichitanga popu. Pulokoi, feeling full of pleasure. Body puloko. Kadatava nama gano vishyati. So, vichar means actually the justification is this. When we are keeping only Krishna is my worshipful deities, Vaishnava not. They are considered like a Kanishthadhikari. When we are keeping both Vaishnava and Krishna, they are Madhyamadhikari. But we have to do it as sound faith, should not discriminate. We should not discriminate. Yes, I am telling you. And Uttamadhikari, to whom you see, we see that the Krishna's existence. Always respecting everyone. So what we are talking about, Kanishthadhikari, Madhyamadhikari, I don't know who asked the question. If you have such sound faith on deities of Krishna, then you can Kanishthadhikari. If you have sound faith on both Vaishnava and Krishna, then Madhyamadhikari. You can understand your situation. But my spiritual master, although entire Gaudiya Vaishnava community, they used to say, Puri Maharaj has expertise for deity worship. But when some Acharya says, Puri Maharaj is Kanishthadhikari, then he says, I thought maybe I am not even Kanishthadhikari, I am not able to deserve that adhikar. I thought I have no faith on Krishna. Worship Krishna. So one Acharya gave me certificate that I am Kanishthadhikari. Great for me. So look, to whom I am talking about, who visits Bhaktivinoda Thakur 3 times. Yeah, I am telling you. 3 times he visits Bhaktivinoda Thakur. There is a diary we find recently. We find the diary 1912 means 1912 this year. Gurudev, that time 14 years old, when Bhaktivinoda Thakur became sick, he came to Calcutta. Gurudev came to Calcutta. Mane came to Calcutta means Calcutta to see Bhaktivinoda Thakur, the visit Bhaktivinoda Thakur at Bhakti Bhavan, Kolkata. And apart from that, when Bhaktivinoda Thakur went to Ganganandapur to visit his godfather Bhaktivinoda Thakur, twice he visited that. Total 3 times he met Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He met Srila Gaur Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj. He met Srila Bhangshidas Babaji Maharaj. He took initiation, youth age. never married. Never ever married. Whole life he dedicated for his Gurudeva's services, according with his best ability. With his best ability, he dedicated, and whatever his Gurudev says, he follow whole life. Writings, worshipping, and whatever writings, worshipping, that too main service he did. And chanting, of course chanting that. Whole life he made it. And he passed his comments. So I was thinking, I am not even Kanishthadikari. But one Acharya gave me the certificate, Kanishthadikari. Why he was thinking not even Kanishthadikari? Because he was thinking he has no faith on deities, deity worshipping. But if you know, if you start, most of the Gaudiya Math deity installation done by him. Chaitanya Gaudiya Math, Chaitanya Saraswat Math, as well as all the Godfathers Math. Even the Prabhupada has done the Samadhi ceremony. He also made that. Gurudev, Bhakti Gaura Vaikhanas Goswami Maharaj, and Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Goswami, 3 persons. Samadhi ceremony, practically they were the main ceremonies priest. So anyway, so look, he says, he is not even Kanishthadikari. What about us? I am, precisely my thinking, I am the Kanishta level, what is the manner? They're down, and that stage. In my position. So you may think that I am a lower than Kanishta, I am not qualified to speak any subject. So really I am not qualified. Think about it. Anyway, so I'm just thinking about this. I just actually recall my mind that someone, I can't remember the name, who actually sent the message, the Kanishthadikari, Uttamadikari. First of all, think about your chanting ability. Are you chanting with separation, full of separation? Or you are like trying to manage finish the round, whatever you promise. There's 16, 32, 64, 128, 192, 3 lakhs. Even nowadays I heard one or twice, 2% they say they are chanting this much. They are elaborately broadcasting. 5 lakhs they are chanting. If you say 3 lakh, they say, no, I chant 5 lakh. We know Bhaktivinoda Thakur's. We know from Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Apana bhajana katha, na kuiyo jatha tatha. We should not speak what is our realization. Realization we should not share with everyone. Only we hire a like-minded. Like-minded and higher. We can share. Better not to share. Otherwise ego will come up. Ego will take us away from devotional practice. So there is so much to know about it. Don't run behind Kanishta, Madhyam or Uttam. Run behind Harinam and think about your separation stage. If you really feeling separation, why I am telling you, in 1995, 1995, it was around 2:30 to 3. Just Gurudev get up from his Vishram stage, after 2:30 to 3 p.m. Just he get up, then 2 or 3 devotee, white skinned devotee, they came and they are asking him, it was in Mayapur, they asked him, Maharaj, can I have a Siddha Deho? Spiritual perfection form. Then Gurudev was chanting that time. Then he says, turning his face, because Gurudev was room. According to his instruction, we should not close his room. Anybody can come at any time. Always open. So he was chanting at that time, he turned his face like this way. Then he says, which Siddha? Siddha means in Bengali, it's called boy. Siddha. Then he says, potato boy, alu Siddha. Bengali, potato means alu. The alu Siddha. Or kochu means taro. Taro Siddha. Taro boil or potato boil. Then he was chanting little bit. Then he turning his face again like this. Baba. Then he said like, Baba, do you have tear during chanting? Do you have separation? During chanting, there is separation. So you have no relation yet. You are not able to establish relation with Krishna. How you can get the Siddha Deho? If you have relation, then you can feel separation. If you have separation, then you can have tear. That is the link. Nayanandaladashu dhanaya. This is for everyone. Kanishta, Madhya and Uttam. So think about it. Think about it. Then you can think about which stage you have. But be optimistic. If you chant under the shelter of our parampara, gradually we will reach your destiny. If you want to be Vaishwadhikar, what mellow, what destiny you want, you'll reach it. You reach that, definitely. Like cry for that. Like baby was crying to get mommy's breast milk, mother's breast milk. Then mother jumped. But if they cry little bit, mother always giving some toy. Mother giving some toy and go for her own responsibility in home. The baby is playing because he is not that much hungry. So he is playing. The Lord also giving us toy. Like toy is like a different type of debate nowadays in spiritual atmosphere. Different type of debate. Who is higher, who is lower. That is one toy. Then, this material world, so many toys. Video games, one toy. Television, one toy. As well as, I don't know what is the modern technology developing. There's all like toys. Modern technology can help us. Like this Zoom is helping us. I am here in the Vrindavan and I don't know how many people are watching there. That they can reach through that, through this technology. But you have to know, technology is helping us. When technology also taking us away from, technology also diverted our mind also. You can see Facebook with a big toys. Whole day will pass with Facebook, WhatsApp, and then what is the name? TikTok. TikTok. I don't know that. I never. I know how to do. Instagram. Oh, Instagram. There's so many things. Now a toy. That's like a toy. So this is the Lord giving us a toy. Always, oh, I am watching this different devotees lecture, debating, passing lots of time. But if you're really hungry, means really want to reach your ultimate destiny, then you will cry for that. Cry and chanting. What Mahaprabhu says, Nayana Baladarsudharaya. Constantly, tear coming from the eyes with separation. Then we can think about, I am eligible to get the spiritual perfection form. Spiritually perfect form means eternal form, Siddha Deho. So anyway, so today time almost over, but anyway, tomorrow we'll just read about it. কিন্তু যার যেই রস সেই সর্বত্রম তটস্থ হইয়া বিচারিলে আছে তরোতম. Don't be tatastha. Tatastha stage is jiva stage, living entity stage. Try to move toward Krishna. Then moving to Krishna like a Harinam. Express name is Harinam Express. So get in the express. We are in the stage, we are standing in the platform like a material platform, material attachment platform. All you are standing there. Harinam Express came, his destiny to Golok. Jump to this Harinam Express. Gradually, that Harinam Express will take us to Golok. But take it like a shelter of pure devotee. That is the ticket. Then we can enter the Harinam Express. And that express, and if you follow, then you can reach the destiny, Golok Vrindavan. I hope you understand. Tomorrow I will explain, try to explain, because I am not qualified, I am not a Pandit. I just whatever Guru Parampara revealing my heart, I am just trying to explain you. Just what I read that Krishna Bhakti Rupaya Bahu Vida Hoy, Krishna Bhakti Taratamma Bahut Achay, Kintu Jar Jai Ras Shai Sarvattam Tatastha Hiya Vicharile Ache Tarotamo. Then Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu sloka is there. Explain gradually. Hope to see you tomorrow, 7:30 to 8:30, and Lord give me enough strength to speak on the topics. Please pray to Lord about it, and definitely Lord will give me the strength because of your prayer. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.